In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save a complete copy of your workspace for safekeeping. This is great for peace of mind, audits, or moving content elsewhere. First, open the Notion website in your browser. You'll be doing everything from the web interface, which keeps the process straightforward and consistent. Once the site is open, head to the Settings area. You'll find it in the main menu. It may appear as Settings or Settings and Members depending on your view, but it leads to the same place. Inside Settings, go to the General section. This is where Notion keeps workspace-level tools and preferences, including the export option we need. Scroll down the General page until you see the export control. It's labeled Export All Workspace, and this is the command that pulls a complete copy of your pages and databases. Click Export All Workspace. A small window will appear asking you to choose a format. Take a moment here to pick what works best for you. HTML is easy to open in any browser and keeps pages readable. Markdown and CSV are ideal if you want clean, portable text files and spreadsheets you can use in other tools. If you see options like including subpages or choosing how to handle database attachments, review them so the backup captures everything you care about. After choosing the format, click Export. Notion will begin gathering your content. For larger workspaces, this can take a while, so keep the tab open and let it run. When it's ready, your browser will download a single compressed file, usually a zip, containing all your exported pages, databases, and any included assets based on the options you selected. When the download finishes, locate the file in your Downloads folder and consider moving it somewhere secure. A good practice is to store backups on an external drive or a trusted cloud storage service, and to name the file with today's date so you can track versions. If you rely on your workspace for important projects, set a reminder to repeat this export on a regular schedule. That's all there is to it. Open the Notion website, go to Settings, select General, scroll down, click. Export all workspace, choose your format, and click Export. With those simple steps, you've created a full backup of your Notion workspace and added an extra layer of protection to your work.